Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to enable local pickup in Shopify checkout. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Settings, then navigate to Shipping and Delivery. Scroll down until you find the Pickup in Store section. Click on Setup, select your shop location, and turn it on. After enabling it, you'll see additional settings for local pickup. For example, you can set the expected pickup time. Options include ready in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours, 2 to 4 days, or 5+ days. Choose the one that suits your preference. Here, we select 24 hours. You can also configure a pickup notification. Once everything is set, click Save. Now your location offers pickup. To test it, go to your online store and click View Your Store. Add a product to the cart and proceed to checkout. If the checkout page is not ready, adjust your checkout settings first. Then return to your store, open the cart again, and click Checkout. At checkout, you will now see the option for local pickup. Select it, and your pickup location will appear. And that's it. That's how you enable local pickup in Shopify checkout.